Welcome back to my channel. I know I've been a lot really MIA on this channel, and I'm so sorry. It's my fault because I just forget to vlog sometimes. But thankfully, here we are again. Back at it. We are going on vacation, woo, for the 4th of July. So I'm currently packing. Don't mind my mess. But also my cousin's here with us, so obviously she's gonna come with us. We're gonna go to the beach for the 4th of July. And yeah, we're gonna have some fun with my cousins. I'm so excited. So it is currently Wednesday, 11 p.m. at night. It is really late. We're gonna leave tomorrow in the morning. I'm gonna vlog for you guys. For you guys, it's gonna be just a whole. Can you guys hear them screaming? My sister's playing with her PS4 and my cousin and stuff. But yeah, we're gonna be leaving around like 10 a.m. in the morning. So we kind of have to pack up right now and everything. I waited last because like I just had so many things going on, but yeah, so we're gonna get to packing. If I don't show you guys a time lapse of me packing, we will be filming more tomorrow, so I'll see you guys tomorrow morning. Ready? Hey guys.
I so agree.
What?
Era por si saliera yo.
Yes, okay. We're on our way to Galveston. We'll see you guys there.
Three, okay.
3 stevia and a splash of half and half, please.
We just made our first stop here. I don't know where we're at, but it's like this cow, deer theme. Like a little gift shop for us to read.
Andamos pues.
Yes, look at our outfits. Cute! I'll see you guys right now. There's no second stop, right? We didn't just get here. We got here like an hour ago. We came to Walmart and we just got out. Our fit checks, like I said again. We're tired. We were on the road for 6 hours and we're in a bad mood now. But we'll see you guys in the house. No, my brother and cousin rented, so. They're over there. They're parked. Oh, anyways, we're gonna wait in the car.
Why?
House looks like that. I'm getting stuff out. So,
Eso ya. Ah, mi maleta.
come here. What? Oh. Vamos a agarrar las cosas. Meterlas. Maybe there's a little house tour right now.
Ooh, oh, it's freaking tiny. Why is it keep the room super tall? What is this? Probably. No, it's gonna get it. Oh, there's a room. Okay, thank you. No, pues sí, creo que las sus papás ven. No, eso es una como. ¿Es el restroom? Es como casa grande. A ver, abre. Oh. Okay. I mean, wait, put on the casa. Wow, it's huge. Wow. Wait. Careful, Madison, wait. Go slow. There's no. ¿A ver? Yeah. Okay.
So we got groceries. We bought chips. We got Ruffles. We got Lay's chips. We got. Mariana trajo aquí. Hasta nosotros. Plates. More plates. We got some pancake mix and some syrup. And then we've got some regular Coke right there. Then we've got. Sorry, you guys can't see me, but some toilet paper. No? Let me make a tripod. We got some paper towels, some corn tortillas, 2 bacons. We've got wipes, We've got butter. We got bread. We got ham for the beach tomorrow. And then we got 4 packs of flour tortillas. Because this family likes flour. Look at that. We got some milk. And then we got some frozen pineapple chunks. And then we got slices. Last thing we got was more wipes. And then some water bottles. Now we're gonna put it away. Bye. I haven't filmed this episode with my family, but look at the people. It's hecka packed. Not hecka packed, but they're gonna have a fireworks show right now. So I'm very excited for that. And then the sun we're walking in is freaking hot. It's the sun's directly like going towards. Hopefully I'm vlogging right. But yeah, look at it. I feel literally like a little brain, but I'll vlog when we go to do other stuff and see fireworks, guys. We're gonna go. We're gonna come back. I'm at the beach. We're gonna come back. We're gonna like go eat and stuff.
I can't believe you're so old and you want to stop.
I'm Thursday. No birds.
Huh?
I got you. I got you now.
But like, pero can't not in bottle.
We made it to the beach. Fit for the 4th of July. Let's get that. I didn't finish my food, but still. This looks amazing. My mom salad. We're eating at a restaurant. We don't have our food yet, but we have our drinks. Yeah, we are.
Since like yesterday on here because I was following TikTok. People follow me on TikTok. You should follow me on TikTok. I'm gonna put you guys on the tripod. But we're gonna put my makeup on. We're gonna go to the beach. So beautiful. This is the fit. This is called my husband's and I have these jean shorts. I'm gonna change it to Crocs, but yeah, it's really good. So I'm gonna go. I'm gonna go down. You don't need how much glasses out. Yeah? We're in a rush.
Hey guys. No. It's my sister, guys. It's called a vlog for YouTube.
Walk this way.
Guys.
That's good. Look at that.
I'm to Chick-fil-A to come eat. All of us here, and then anyway. So I got the number 1 for the regular fries sandwich. You got the same thing, and then everyone else got whatever they wanted. Yeah, we're gonna eat the food. I'm so sorry. Like this. vlog. I didn't end the vlog last night. We're eating Cracker Barrel. Here's everybody. But yeah, we just got orange juice. Orange juice, we got coffee and boba. And she got, I think, water. Yeah. So, I know I haven't vlogged very bad at this, but I'm trying my best, guys. So, please bear with me. We're at Cracker Barrel. I already said that, right? I'm doing like cute. I love my necklace. You guys make it. Hey guys, don't mind me. I'm eating pizza. But I forgot to end the vlog from the vacation. We came back yesterday. We're here like at 7 p.m. Super tired. So I didn't even think about like turning on the vlog. But I just want to say thank you guys so much for watching. I know I haven't posted as much. I'm gonna try my best to post more often. I'm still trying to figure out a schedule because I just haven't like been able to, but yeah, I just hope you guys enjoy this video and this vacation that we had, and we'll see you guys next one. Bye.